some of the tickets now, I know they don't start at €2,000, but some of the tickets are very expensive. Do you think people will pay that kind of money to see him?
I imagine, look, you're going to have people who are probably very much super fans of the president and would only be delighted to probably pay. I suppose it is excessive for anybody on a regular, normally weekly wage.
Shane was saying earlier that he thinks this kind of thing, and he's not talking specifically about Barack Obama, but in general, in terms of politics, politicians selling things like books or candles, also maybe hosting expensive ticketed events, that it kind of diminishes politics in some way. Do you have a view on that?
I can understand why people would believe that, but I'm sure no different than the Swifties going to see Taylor Swift and paying over the odds. There are political gurus who would only love the opportunity to be in an auditorium, listening firsthand to the president, give his insight and his opinions. And again, we're probably going to see a very Irish twist to it. I'm sure